Good morning students. How are you all? I hope you are enjoying the online classes of all the subjects. But what about geography? So I think you are doing well. Since the theory part of geography is over, so today I am going to start a topo sheet. Today I will teach only the introductory part. I hope you will enjoy. Okay, so let us start. Before going to start topo sheet, let me introduce yourself with the two basic concepts, that is map and globe. Map is the graphical representation of the earth on a flat piece of paper, whereas globe is the true representation of the earth. But the basic difference between this is it cannot be taken into the field. So practically it is not so good. Map can be folded easily, can be taken easily. So that is very good and very convenient to use map. Since topo sheet is related with the map, because topo sheet is also a map, so we will focus on the map only. Okay. So next one, maps and the types of maps. Types. Maps are classified on the basis of two main things. First is on the basis of scale, and second is on the basis of content. On the basis of scale, map is further divided into two types. One is large scale map and second is small scale map. Okay. What is large scale map actually? When a very small area is represented with a detailed information, then it is called a large scale map. Whereas a small scale map shows a large area with very few information. Okay, so detailed information cannot we get from the small scale map, just like the map of India, world map. Okay, but large scale map again has different types. First is topographical maps. Second is plans. And third is cadastral maps. Now what are these? Topo sheet maps, since I told you, the large scale maps represent a small area with a detailed information which we will discuss soon. Plans as house plans, okay, the plan of any building, just like school building, it is based on a plan, okay, and in this plan map, a very small portion of the building is shown with a great information. You have house plan also. So in the houses, where is the drawing room, where is the kitchen, where is the lobby, everything is mentioned on that paper with the detailed information. Each and every few centimeters and meters are depicted on those plans. Next is cadastral maps, which are also called revenue maps. Okay, all the land property is shown with the help of cadastral map, and again it is a large scale map. Very few minor information we get through this one, but it is not publicly published, it is not shown, and it is the revenue map. Okay, so all the three types of maps are the large scale map. Now what about small scale map? Again two types, just like example, one is atlas and second is wall maps. Atlas, which is called a book of map. Everyone has from 6th standard to 10th standard atlas map. I think you have also. And wall maps. These wall maps are in the library of our school. So we can check. I will show you afterward. These wall maps also are the small scale maps. So this is all about on the basis of scale. The next topic is on the basis of content. On the basis of content, the map is again divided into three types. First is political map. Second is physical map. third is thematic maps. Now what are these? Political maps in which the state boundaries with their capitals, the major cities, the political boundaries of the countries are marked. Okay. Physical maps in which we can show the relief features like mountains, plateaus, rivers, drainage system and rivers, as well as we can show the landform pattern, whether it is a plain area, it is a highland area, the types of hills also can be depicted through physical maps. Thematic maps. Okay, these are also the on the basis of content, the thematic map shows the different types of material. Like we can say the map which depicts the soils of India. So soil map, when it shows the transport system of India, it is a transport map. When it shows the vegetation of India, it is a vegetation map. So on the basis of themes, some maps are shown and these are called thematic maps. So about topo sheet. Topo sheet is also called ordnance map. It is also called grid map, but simply we say topo sheet. Topo sheet was started by the Britishers to show the different parts of Indian subcontinent. Indian subcontinent includes Afghanistan, Iran, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka. So all these portions of the southern part of Asia are divided into some grids. And I think you know very well what is grid. Grid is the network of parallels of latitude and the meridians of longitude. That I will show you with the help of map of India. As I told you, Britishers have started Ordnance Survey of Map of India. So for this purpose, Britishers divided India and the Indian subcontinent into 105 divisions. These numbered from 1 to 105. These are the grids. Grids means the parallels of latitude and the meridians of longitude, which make a network which is represent a grid. This is called a grid, a network. In the same way, India has some numbers, and these numbers we are going to study in topo sheet. Okay, so which number? So many numbers are there. As I told you, 1 to 105. It is not possible to draw all the numbers. I will draw only few. These are 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, like this. And in 10th standard, only this 45 number is in your syllabus. This 45 number. This 45 number which is in your syllabus is 4 degree into 4 degree map. Okay, 4 degree. How many latitudes? 180 degree. How many longitudes? 360 degree. So these are divided into 4 degree into 4 degree, and these are called million maps. Again I am speaking million maps. Further, this area is divided into 1 degree into 1 degree map. So 4 degree to 4 degree, now 4 degree is divided into 1 degree. So this is called 1 degree into 1 degree map. These are also called degree maps. This map is called million map. Okay, be careful, million maps are divided into degree maps. To show, just see a very large area is divided into many sections to show a small area with detailed information. Okay, so this 45 number, now we have 45 number, it is divided into different parts starting from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H I J K L M N O P. Okay, and this is 1 degree into 1 degree, 45 number. Now which area is in your syllabus? That is D part. We have 45 number with D part. Only this area we will study in 10th standard. Okay, so now we have two number, 45 D. We have 45D. So this D part is again divided into different sections like this. 16 more sections. Okay, and these are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Okay, earlier I told you we have two numbers, 45D, and this D part again divided into different 16 sections. So which part is in your syllabus? First this one, 7th part, and this one, 10th part. Only a very small area we are going to read in 10th standard, and these are called 15 minutes into 15 minutes quarter maps. Median maps, degree maps, quarter maps. Understood? I hope you understand, because 1 degree represents 60 minutes. Okay, so let us divide into 4 sections, that is 15. Okay, so 45 degree 15 minutes, 45 degree 30 minutes, 45 degree 45 minutes, and 45 degree 60 minutes, means 46 degree. I think you understand this one. Only this small area. That is why I told you topographical sheet is a large scale map which show a very minute area with detailed information. So what type of information? The physical features, the man-made features, even we can observe the occupation of the people, what they are doing, whether they are doing farming, they are cattle rearers, they are the mountaineers, what they are doing, drainage system, rivers, okay, the types of hills, different types of hills we have studied in 9th standard. So all these we are able to see through the topographical maps. So I think you understand the basic concept of the topo sheet. So what is the title of the topographical map which you are going to read? 45D7 or 45D10, which are in your syllabus. This shows the area of some part of Rajasthan, including Aravalli range. Okay, this also some parts of Rajasthan with northern parts of Gujarat, very few areas. Parts of Aravalli with some plain areas we will discuss in these two.